So hello guys, this is Yashan Agarwal from LaptopRefix.com. I get this motherboard which is DS21525 motherboard, and this motherboard is in dead condition. So let's check it. Okay, when I connect my DC, and now when I connect my motherboard, its ampere goes to 0.083, and this IC, which is 3 volt and 5 volt IC, this is 3 volt and 5 volt IC, this IC getting hit. So I think there may be a shorting somewhere. So I disconnect my adapter and check for shorting. So 19 volt is good, and it is 3 volt, 5 volt is also good here, and 3 volt is also good. Now check VS S0. This S0 line is short, so I have to find the shorting here. So I connect or shorting my DC jack, and another one is to connected on ground. Then I put the 19 volt to 0 volt here, and now so this is my jack which I put my supply to 0, and now connect this to shorting area. Now it going 0.045, little increase voltage, and the ampere goes 1.2 ampere. Now I am checking the heating area, where is heating is going. Now increase little bit more, near about 2 ampere. Okay, now I check. Where is going to heat area? This area is heating. Okay, this is the heat component is here, which is this capacitor is heating. इसको this capacitor is heating, so I have to remove this capacitor and then check the amperation. So just remove my cables, and now I have to remove this capacitor. हीटिंग बढ़ाना थोड़ी सी. This is the audio section, which is short here, and this one is the, I think this is for jack supply. This is for jack here, this is a jack here, and now there is little bit water or also here, so I think the water is also caused this all problems. Now I have to check my shorting, which is I think gone. Yes, my shorting is gone. Now this audio jack is also broken, so I have to change this jack also later, and the capacitor is removed. And now check the system is turned on or not. And again I have to go to my 19 volt and now pull it again, and my system is going, and you can see here the system is on and showing the RAM error. So I have to place the RAM and check display. So connect my RAM here, and this is my display. And now I have to connect जी का जंजाल है ये। all the and I connect my screen and displays come. So thank you guys to watching this video. This is Yashan Agarwal from LaptopRefix.com.